Hello students, this is topic 10 elementary trigonometry. हम स्टार्ट करेंगे इसको हाई स्कूल स्टैंडर्ड ट्रिगोनोमेट्री से. This is a right angle triangle. It is a 90-degree angle and this angle is theta. Since this angle is theta, so this will be base and that is perpendicular. अगर ये theta angle ये होगा then base ये होगा, perpendicular ये होगा. It means angle attached, side attached to angle directly is base. 90-degree front side is hypotenuse and the third side is perpendicular. So on this behalf we know in trigonometry there are 6 terms, 6 elementary ratios: sine, cos, tan, sec, cosec, cot. You know it and you have studied all these trigonometrical ratios in earlier classes. 3 identities are affiliated to this triangle. It is sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1, 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta, 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. These are 3 identities affiliated to a right angle triangle. लेकिन एक कॉम्पिटिटिव स्टूडेंट को अपने कंपटीशन प्रिपरेशन के लिए कुछ एडिशनल फार्मूलों की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है फिजिक्स में. तो उसके लिए हम आपको ये फार्मूला चार्ट प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं. आप इसे याद करेंगे ताकि किसी प्रॉब्लम को करते समय फिजिक्स में अगर मैं इन फार्मूलों को यूज़ करूँ डायरेक्टली तो ये दिक्कत ना है हमारे सामने कि आप उस स्टेप में कन्फ्यूज हो जाएं. अगर मैं इनमें से किसी भी फार्मूला को यूज़ करूँगा तो मैं आपको बताऊँगा एक बार आप लोगों को कि वी यूज दैट फार्मूला इन दिस प्रॉब्लम. तो आप इनको रिमेंबर करें. एक बार मैं रिवाइज करता हूँ. अदर इंपॉर्टेंट फार्मूले लिविंग these three identities are on the basis of high school syllabus. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1, 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta, 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. Other important formula: sin a plus b is sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Same for minus, only plus is changed to minus in this formula. So it is sin a minus b is sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Cos a plus b is cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. And cos a minus b is cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. So minus will be there in the answer for plus and plus is there for minus. In sin formula, plus is for plus and minus is for minus. Sin 2a is 2 sin a cos a, cos 2a is 2 cos square a minus 1 or 1 minus 2 sin square a or cos square a minus sin square a. Tan 2a is 2 tan a upon 1 minus tan square a. So these are fundamental 7 important formulae. Besides these, some set are also there. 2 sin a cos b. 2 sin a cos b, sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. 2 cos a sin b is cos sin a plus b minus sin a minus b. 2 cos a cos b is cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. 2 sin a sin b is cos a minus b minus cos a plus b. ये सभी फॉर्मूले पैकेजेस में हैं. 4 के सेट हैं. These are this be the set for 2 formula, this is for 3 formula and these are a plus b a minus b set. These are the sets. तो हमें फिजिक्स में इन सब की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है कभी कभी. So for that day we are studying or remembering this formula. Sin a plus b is sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Sin a minus b is sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Cos a plus b is cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Cos a minus b is cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Sin 2a is 2 sin a cos a, cos 2a is 2 cos square a minus 1 or 1 minus 2 sin square a or cos square a minus sin square a. Tan 2a is 2 tan a upon 1 minus tan square a. 2 sin a cos b is sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. 2 cos a sin b is sin a plus b minus sin a minus b. 2 cos a cos b is cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. 2 sin a sin b is cos a minus b minus cos a plus b. Sin a cos b जो फॉर्मूले sin cos combined है, these two, the output contains sine term only. But if both the terms are same trigonometrical ratio cos cos and sin sin, then in that cases answers will contain only cos term, cos 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 cos. For sin cos combination there are sin in the answer always. याद करने के लिए इन सब बातों को ध्यान रखें. sin c plus sin d is 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. sin c minus sin d is 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. cos c plus cos d is 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2 cos c minus cos d is 2 sin c plus d by 2 sin d minus c by 2. It is the reversal of this formula. We can take minus also outside, but I am writing in this manner. This is more comfortable than that. Now cos c minus cos d is 2 sin c plus d by 2 sin d minus c by 2. And the formula for 3 tripling multiple, sin 3a is 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a, cos 3a is 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. This is a list of all the trigonometrical formula. स्टूडेंट को ये सारी लिस्ट याद होनी चाहिए. मैं जो आप लोगों को ये टॉपिक वाइज लेक्चर दे रहा हूँ याद रखें. अगर आप टॉपिक 11 पर हैं तो आपको टॉपिक 10 तक सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन क्लियर होनी चाहिए, क्योंकि फर्दर टॉपिक्स में जब हम पुरानी किसी जनरल स्टेटमेंट को यूज़ करेंगे तो मैं डायरेक्ट बोलूँगा कि दिस वी हैव स्टडीड इन प्रीवियस टॉपिक्स। तो इसलिए रिमेंबर करें, इनको ध्यान से पढ़ें, अगले टॉपिक में जाने से पहले पिछला टॉपिक क्लियर हो जाना चाहिए। That is our formula. Now some important formula also. There is also an important formula for sin 2a in terms of tan. It is 2 tan a over 1 plus tan square a. Sin 2a is 2 tan a over 1 plus tan square a. This is same as the formula of tan 2a, but here that there is minus and plus is in the formula of sin. For cos 2a, the tan formula is 1 minus tan square a over 1 plus tan square. These two are also important. These are formula of sin 2a and cos 2a in terms of tan. तो हमें अपनी रिक्वायरमेंट के हिसाब से tan के फॉर्मूले, sin के cos के सभी के 2 मल्टीपल tan में रिमेंबर करने हैं। tan 2 is 2 tan over 1 minus tan square, sin 2 is 2 tan over 1 plus tan square, cos 2 is 1 minus tan square over 1 plus tan square. These two are also important. These are 4, sin a plus b, sin minus b, cos a plus b, cos a minus b. This is the set of two multiple formula. These two are also here. 3 multiple formulae, and these are the sets sin c plus sin d, sin c minus sin d, cos c plus cos d, cos c minus cos d, and the set of 4, 2 sin cos b, 2 cos sin b, 2 cos cos b, 2 sin sin b. These are high school standard identities. इसके अलावा आप लोगों से मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आपको sin cos tan की बेसिक डेफिनेशन सब मालूम है अर्लियर क्लासेस से। sin theta is perpendicular over hypotenuse, cos theta is base over hypotenuse, and similar the others. एक लिस्ट और याद कराई जाती है हाई स्कूल स्टैंडर्ड में बच्चों को, मैं उसके लिए भी आप लोगों से एक्सपेक्ट करता हूँ। दैट लिस्ट इज all the values, all the simple values of sin cos tan, such as sin 0 is 0, sin 30 1/2, sin 45 1/√2, sin 60 √3/2, sin 90 1. Similar values for cos tan, sec, cosec, cot also. So these are the beginning and elementary trigonometrical terms for used for the further study of physics. अब आगे अगर इनमें से कोई स्टेटमेंट यूज होती है then we will use this statement directly without giving any elementary information, क्योंकि ये सब फॉर्मूले मैं होप करता हूँ आप याद कर चुके होंगे तब तक। कुछ केसेस और समझें, such as if we want to obtain the value of sin 18 degree, then we should use our knowledge of all earlier formulae, such as we know that in mathematics 90 is 18 into 5, 18 into 5, or 90 can be taken as 18 into 3 plus 18 into 2. It means we can divide this into two parts. Sin 18 degree is our question. We have to calculate the value of sin 18 degree, and in general we know that 90 is 18 5 is 90, so 19 can be taken as 18 into 3 plus 18 into 2. It means 90 is 18 into 3 plus 18 into 2. If we use this equation, then we can obtain the value of sin 18. तो एक बार देखिए पूरी प्रोसीजर को ध्यान से समझिए। 90 is 18 into 3 plus 18 into 2, so 90 minus 18 into 2 equal to 18 into 3. This is the equation. 90 minus 18 into 2 equal to 18 into 3. This is the equation. Now take cos term or sin term on both the sides. So we should use in such a manner that we will get a comfortable equation. Such as if we take sine on both the sides, then this part will become sine, or if you can also take cos. Cos, sine both are easy. Let us consider the question is called. It is cos 90 minus 18 into 2 is equal to cos 18 into 3. And we know that cos 90 minus theta is sin theta, so it is sin 18 into 2 equal to cos 18 into 3. Here we use equation cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. इस टॉपिक के जस्ट बाद में आपको एक हल्का सा आइडिया दूंगा कि हम ये सब जो यूज करते हैं टर्म्स इनका क्या फंडामेंटल है। Then sin 18 into 2 is cos 18 into 3. Sin 18 into 2 is equal to cos 18 into 3. Sin 2 theta. This is sin 2 theta. We know that sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta cos theta. It is 2 sin 18 cos 18, and the second part cos 18 into 3, it is cos 3 theta. Cos 3 theta is 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Sin 3 theta is 3 sin theta minus 4 cos cube 4 sin cube theta, and cos 3 theta is 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Now you can cancel 1 cos 18 throughout the equation, then this will be 2 sin 18 equal to 4 cos square 18 minus 3. यहाँ मैंने cos 18 को कॉमन लेकर के कैंसिल कर दिया दोनों तरफ से. ये कैंसिलेशन हमने इसलिए किया क्योंकि हम जानते हैं cos 18 is not equal to 0, because we know in first quadrant none of the trigonometrical value is equal to 0. Sin 18 can't be 0. We know that sin 90 is 0, so how sin 18 cos 18 cannot be equal to 0. Since cos 18 is not 0, so we can cancel this from both the sides. कोई भी टर्म काटी इस शर्त पर जा सकती है कि वो 0 नहीं बन रही है. Then we get 2 sin 18 equal to 4 cos square 18 minus 3, and take all the terms in one side. We will get 4 cos square 18, this 4 cos square 18 minus 2 sin 18 minus 3 equal to 0. And cos square 18 can be taken as 1 minus sin square 18 minus 2 sin 18 minus 3 equal to 0. On opening this, we will get 4 minus 4 sin square 18 minus 2 sin 18 minus 3 equal to 0. And then the next line, it will be 4 sin square 18 and minus is plus 2 sin 18 and minus 1 is equal to 0. यहाँ पर मैंने सबके साइन कन्वर्ट कर दिए हैं, and this plus minus plus and plus. So this is 4 sin square 18 plus 2 sin 18 minus 1 equal to 0. Now solve this equation according to the fundamental formula. Sin 18 is minus b. You know this formula. Minus b plus minus under root of b square. 2 square is 4 minus 4ac is minus 1. So this will become plus upon 2 into a. So sin 18 equal to minus 2 plus minus under root 20 upon 8. 20 is 2 root 5, so minus plus 2 root 5 over 8. On cancelling 2 from numerator and denominator, this will become this. Sin 18 equal to minus 1 plus minus root 5 upon 4. This is sin 18. So there are two values of sin 18. Sin 18 is either minus 1 minus root 5 by 4, or sin 18 equal to minus 1 plus root 5 by 4. This can be written in this manner also. It is root 5 negative 1 negative by 4 and plus root 5 minus 1 by 4. This value is not permissible because 18 is the angle of first quadrant, and in first quadrant no value can be equal to negative value. Sin 18 is negative here, so it is unacceptable. We can't accept this because it is negative, and 18 is the angle of first quadrant. First quadrant contains all the trigonometrical values positive. So sin 18 is root 5 minus 1 by 4. So sin 18, sometimes we use this directly in our physics. तो मैंने आपको बताया कि ये कैसे आया है, क्योंकि ये बिल्कुल एलिमेंट्री था, तो मैंने आपको इसका एक जनरलाइजेशन बताया कि इस तरीके से हमने पता लगाया कि sin 18 की वैल्यू रूट 5 माइनस 1 बाई 4 है. ऐसे कई जनरलाइजेशन ट्रिगोनोमेट्री जब हम आपको मैथमेटिक्स में पढ़ाएंगे तब बताएंगे डिटेल में. अभी केवल एक आइडिया के लिए बताया है. अब मैं आपको एक लिस्ट देना चाहता हूँ फॉर्मूलों की. रिमेंबर ऑल दीज इम्पोर्टेंट एंगुलर वैल्यूज. The basic trigonometrical list is important, that is sin cos 10, sin 0 0, sin 31 by 2, sin 45 1 by root 2, sin 60 root 3 by 2, sin 91, similar for cos 10 and all others. ये सब आप हाई स्कूल में पढ़ चुके हैं. कुछ और इम्पोर्टेंट वैल्यूज जो यहाँ आपको मालूम होनी चाहिए वो नोट करें. लिस्ट बनाए उनकी. जैसे sin 18 is root 5 minus 1 upon 4. Similarly, sin 22 and half. Sin 22 and half. Sin 22 and half, since 22 and half is 45 by 2. So sin 22 and half can be obtained by trigonometrical evaluations. It is an important angle. मैं आपको एक हल्का सा प्रोसीजर दूंगा कि कैसे आप इस वैल्यू तक पहुंचेंगे. हमारा अगला value is sine 22.5. In trigonometry we know in the previous list cos 2 theta is 1 minus 2 sine square theta. So 2 sine square theta will be equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta. Now take theta as 22.5, you will get 2 sine square 22.5 equal to 1 minus cos 22.5 twice 45. So 1 minus 1 by root 2 is this. By using the value of cos 45, we know it very well. It is root 2 minus 1 by root 2 and 2 from this side. So sine square 22.5 is root 2 minus 1 by 2 root 2. So sine 22.5 is root of that completely. Multiply root 2 in numerator and denominator, you will get root of root 2 multiply to root 2 in numerator and denominator in this manner. You will get 2 minus root 2 in numerator, and without under root there is 2 in denominator. It is 2 to the 4. You can take outside. Root 2 minus root 2, but it is sine 22.5. In the same manner, by using the formula cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta minus 1. By using this formula, you can obtain the value of cos 22.5, and I am writing it directly here. It is root 2 plus root 2 by 2. अगर आप ट्राई करना चाहते हैं कि कैसे ये वैल्यू अचीव हुई, then this is the help for finding the value. Sin 18 is root 5 minus 1 by 4. मैं already proof कर चुका हूँ पहले. Sin 22.5, how we can obtain this value? This is the method. It is root 2 minus root 2 by 2, and this value you will practice directly. You should practice this by using this formula. By using this, practice this and get the answer. Cos 22.5 is root 2 plus root 2 upon 2. By dividing sin 22.5 and cos 22.5, you can obtain tan 22.5. So tan 22.5 can also be obtained. So these are important values. One important value is also there. It is cos 36 degree. Cos 36 is root 5 plus 1 by 4. This is also important. In some questions we want this value. So write this also. Cos 36 is root 5 plus 1 by 4. और ये दोनों एक दूसरे से कंजुगेट हैं, याद करने में आसान. Sin 18 and cos 36. A list is also there. It is sin 37, cos 37, sin 53 and cos 53. These are also important values. Sin 37 is 3 by 5, cos 37 is 4 by 5, sin 53 is 4 by 5 and cos 53 is 3 by 5. These 4 values are also important in physics, क्योंकि बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस इन वैल्यू पर बेस्ड होते हैं. tan 37 अचीव करने के लिए आप डिवाइड करें इनको, और tan 53 अचीव करने के लिए इन्हें डिवाइड करें. So 37 set, 53, 22.5, 36, 18. These are important values. इसके अलावा आपको 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90 का सीक्वेंस याद है. तो इन सारी टर्मिनोलॉजी को यूज़ करके आप फिजिक्स में इम्प्लीमेंट कर सकते हैं. ये वो एलिमेंट्स हैं जो हमको यूज़ कर रहे हैं हमारी फिजिक्स में. एक बहुत ज़रूरी बात आपको और बताएं, क्वाड्रेंट बेसिस पर थोड़ा अंडरस्टैंड करिए. इन क्वाड्रेंट सिस्टम, by the law of act ACTS, this is all house. All means all the values from 0 to 90 are positive values. We know it very well. This is cos quadrant. It means all cos values and sec values are positive in this quadrant. This is tan quadrant, tan and cot, and this quadrant is for sine and cos. So all sine cos values are positive in this quadrant. Sine and cosec, sine and cosec, tan and cot, sec and cos, and all values. And 3 important tips are also important to achieve all the values in trigonometry. Trigonometry में हम sin 1000 degree, sin 5000 degree, sin 390 degree, sin 450 degree सारी वैल्यू अचीव कर सकते हैं. और इसके लिए हमें कुछ एडिशनल रिमेंबर करने की भी जरूरत नहीं. बस हमें sin 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90 ये वैल्यूज पता होनी चाहिए. तो वो क्या तरीके हैं जिनसे हम ये सब करते हैं, समझें. First, you should remember this chart. It is ACTS chart. A for all, this is cos and sec, tan and cot, sine and cosec. It means up from 0 to 90, all values, all trigonometrical ratios are positive. From 90 to 180, sine and cosec provides positive value. From 180 to 270, tan and cot are positive. And in the negative quadrant, if the angle is negative, like sine -60, cos -60, these are called negative angles. For negative angles, cos and sec provides positive values. 3 important tips for 90 degree conversion. For 90 degree conversions are sine is converted to cos, cos is converted to sine also, tan is converted to cot, and cot is cosec is converted to sec. It means 90 डिग्री कन्वर्जन पे साइन कॉस बनता है, कॉस साइन बनता है, टेन कॉट बनता है, कॉट टेन बनता है, कोसेक सेक बनता है और सेक कोसेक बनता है. 90 डिग्री कन्वर्जन. फॉर 180 डिग्री no conversion is applicable, no conversion, and 360 degree is omitted directly. So these are 3 important tips for 90 degree conversions. Are sine to cos, cos to sine, tan to cot, cosec to sec, sec to cosec, tan to cot, cot to tan. For 180 degree no conversion, and for 360 degree you can omit this directly. 360 degree is omitted directly. 180 degree no conversion. For 90 degree conversions are this and that. These are conversions, and this is the basic chart for that. Let us consider this by one example. That we have to obtain the value of sine 540 degree. Then the sine 540 can be taken as sine 360 plus 180. 360 is omitted directly, so omit this directly. You will get sine 180. And sine 180 can be taken as sine 180 plus 0, and sine 180 degree, no conversion is there, it means sine will become sine. And in the next line, sine, it is sine 180 plus theta. You can also write sine 180 minus theta, because 180 minus 0 is also 180, sine 180 plus 0. So sine 180 minus theta, 180 minus theta means you are in the sine quadrant. So answer will be positive sine 0. एक एक करके हमें ये टर्म्स गायब करने होते हैं. तो 360 को गायब करने का रूल, 180 को गायब करने का रूल, 90 को गायब करने का रूल, it is 0. So sine 540 degree will be equal to 0. Some more examples. Let us consider about cosec 450 degree. Suppose cosec 450 degree, we have to obtain the value of cosec 415. You can write it as cosec 360 plus 55 degree. 360 degree plus 55 degree. You can omit 360 directly. It is cosec 55. It means cosec 55, and for 55 degree you should use the sine table basic. 30, 60, 45, 0 and 90. These are simple values. For other values we should use trigonometrical table. जैसे कि log table है, वैसे एक trigonometrical table भी होती है जिसमें आपको 0 से 90 तक की सारी values प्रोवाइड की जाती हैं. और कुछ केसेस देखिए. Suppose the next question is tan 315 degree. So tan 315 degree can be taken as tan 180 plus you can write it as 180 plus 135. 360 minus 45 is also possible, but मैं यहाँ पर आपको 180 का केस बताना चाहता हूँ. तो tan 180 plus 35, you can omit 180 and there is no conversion is required for that. So 10 will become 10. 10 remains 10. 10 is tan 35. And since 180 plus something, 180 plus theta is the house of 10, so a plus is there outside. It is plus tan 135. In next line you can write it as 90 plus 45 and 10 90 plus 45. For 90 degree, 10 will be converted to cot 45. After cancelling of 90, it will become cot. And tan 90 plus theta, tan 90 plus theta, it is the house of sine and it is tan, so minus will be there. It is minus 1. Answer will be minus 1. So quadrant basis पे आप आंसर निकाल सकते हैं. ये आपका कन्वर्जन रूल है ट्रिग्नोमेट्री में. हम आपको इस पर पूरा एक लेक्चर देंगे कि ये सब काम कैसे होते हैं. अभी हम केवल फिजिक्स के सपोर्ट के लिए सब थोड़ा आइडिया दे रहे हैं आपको. तो जितने भी फॉर्मूला आपने ट्रिग्नोमेट्री के देखे, जितनी स्टैंडर्ड वैल्यूज देखे, सब याद करें.